Processing 200. Oh, I did it! Let's go! We hit one. Hope you guys enjoyed that edit. It took me a really long time. 100% of it was done on After Effects. And you're probably wondering, did all of those orders get shipped out? Before we get into that, let's talk about the results. So I ended up with 6 checkouts of the special box, and then I got 1 checkout of the non-special box on Nike sneakers a little bit later on. Did all of them ship out? Unfortunately not, but the results were still very good. So 3 of the special boxes shipped out, and obviously the one from Nike sneakers shipped out as well. All of these arrived safely at my house without any issues. So here we have one of the special boxes. When you open it, this is what it looks like. Here are the sneakers, very beautiful. Comes with 3 of these bands. This was released a while ago, so you've probably seen this a lot of times already, so won't go into detail with that. And here is the bear brick. It's in shrink wrap, so I will not be opening it, or else it will no longer be factory sealed, and therefore potentially reducing the value of it. So yeah, just gonna keep it in there. And that's about it. This is the amount of money that I expect to make from these Lobster dunks. Very, very successful release. Hopefully this level of success is something that we can replicate throughout 2023. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next one.